Here's how to verify Instagram. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you won't miss any of the steps. First, you will need to log into your Instagram account. Once you are logged into your Instagram account, now here you have to click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then click on the hamburger icon at the top right corner and then click on the settings option at the top. Now from here I'm gonna click on the account option and then here I'm gonna scroll down and go to the request verification option. After that, here I have to enter my username, full name and select the document type that I want to upload for verification. After that, here I'm going to select national identification card option and then here I have to confirm my notability and here I have to select the category and then country and region. And then I have to select the audience type. Then here you have to enter all of your social links, but it's totally optional. Once the form is completed, now you have to click on the submit button to submit it. It will take 2 or 3 working days and after that your account will be verified if it meets the required standards. So this is how you can request for verification on Instagram.